Welcome. So we are going to first design our database before we proceed to the CRUD operations in OOP. So CRUD operations deal with creating, retrieving, updating, and deleting. Let us first design a simple database that is going to store some data for us. So sorry, I don't have WAMP, but I'm using XAMPP. There's no problem. I'm going to name this database discussion. I'm going to click on create. That is the database name, and you see that we already have a database name, discussion. So here they tell you to give a table name. So we're going to give a table name of users, and let's have like 5 columns. Create. So with these 5 columns, we are going to have the user ID, we're going to have the name, we're going to have the phone number, we're going to have the email, and last we're going to have the message. So user ID, we can leave it int. The name, we use a data type called virtual. Phone number, we can use, we have many, see that we have many data types to use, but let us use int since phone number is going to be an int. Email, let us use virtual. Message, let us use virtual. So these are data types, and here we define the lengths. So we can give a name, give 255. Phone number, let us give like 20. With the email, we can have 255 because there are some members that have long emails. Then a message, you can give 255. So with this message, you have options. You can use virtual. Virtual supports many characters, like I've defined 255, but you also have another data type, but you will not use it for now, called text. So this one has more length, as in character length, than virtual. You see that it has more than that of virtual. So let me assign here. When you go further, we shall see null index. So it has give our ID an index of primary key. Then this is for auto inc. You see they give us that one, so we can save and without putting the size. Then we give the auto increment. So auto increment means that whenever you add any row, this user ID will be assigned automatically. So we can save, and after saving, we shall have a designed table called users. Remember, you don't have to use user because user is a preserved keyword in database. So if you use users, it will be confusing. So these are the tables that, sorry, this is a table that we have, and these are the columns. Let us meet in another one for designing a form where we shall be inserting the data into the database.